Hi guys, we are unboxing our ultrasonic humidifier. The name is Mikikin or Mikikin. I don't know how you read it, but it's 4.5 liter, 1.18 gallon, and we're gonna do a review also. And just open the box. It just arrived today, and we ordered it last night from Amazon. Amazon is quick on their delivery, which is a good thing because we really need it. There it is. You'll see the manual. Comes with the phone. Let's see. See it in the plastic. And here you go. See, here's the area where you're going to put the water on. And this is where the mist. Oh, you can actually put something in it. This is where the mist is gonna go. I'll take the plastic off. You have to be careful when you remove the plastic because it will get into half, two parts. Here's the bottom part, and this is the top part of it. So we're going to use I'm gonna use a filtered water on it in a sec. Okay, once you plug it in, it has that light, and we're gonna put our water. I used like a gallon of water, covered it. So we'll turn it on. Oh no. This is the first time I put water in it. And it's leaking. This is not good. So here you go. We just do the unboxing and do the review, and as you can see, you'll see the water right away. Okay. So I guess we can't. We'll try to turn it on still. It's not doing anything too. Something is wrong. This is one touch switch. Sleep mode, hold 3 seconds. I want to use it. Not doing anything. Hi guys, we're going to unbox the Vicks Cold Relief Filter Free Humidifier. It's a 1.2 gallon capacity, medium room size. It's a cool mist, so we're gonna unbox it. We just bought it today. We had one from Amazon, but we returned it. I'm gonna combine the videos from the Amazon and this one. We got this from Walmart. Open. Here, my stuff there. Here's the manual. See inside. Just drop the box. Take it out. Pretty good size. Okay, and let's see. I see. They tie it up at the bottom. Okay. There we go. Start with the light. Like the angle. Okay. So that's where the mist is gonna go up later. Yeah, I guess you can rotate it. That's good. And this is the handle. Okay, so you can remove it into two parts. That looks good. See the cable. The cable's pretty long, I guess. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, so we're gonna plug it. Plug it in. Just plugged it in right now. So okay, it's plugged in. Okay, so this is the pull to remove. This is pull to remove here. Okay, so that's where you put the Vicks. I do it. And then adjust it. To adjust it, this is off, and this is the high mist. Okay, and hold on. So I'm gonna put water in it. I'm gonna use a filtered water. Okay, I see something here. Do not add essential oil to the tank. Okay, so do not add essential oil to the tank. So it tells you that it's locked on this side. It's locked on this side and unlock and then lock. So you have to open it to put the water. So we're gonna try to do the water. And I'm using a filtered water. This is like a gallon of water that I put in there, so you should be good because this is 1.2 gallon, so that should be okay. And then to put it back, to lock it in, make sure that it's tight. Hold on. Okay, so that is back. And we're just gonna put some Vicks pads on it. Hold on. So I'm gonna put it back into the body of it, but I need 2 hands, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm using this kind of vapor pads, and it's in individual packs. So here you go. Just close it, and it should be good to go. So we can start turning it on, and there you go. Very cool. This one you can rotate it. You can rotate which direction you wanted it. So this time I'm gonna focus it on that direction. So you can control the mist from left to right, as you can see here. So there'll be more mist. There you go. Hope you enjoy.